Hey, what's up guys, Scratchy here. Today I'm going to show you how to add sound effects in Scratch. It's really very simple. All you have to do is take a sprite, or you can also do this with backdrops. But I'll take a sprite. I'll go to the sounds option here. So this is the sound that comes with the sprite. Okay, and if we don't want this sound, we can delete it. We can record our own sound like this. I've showed you before. Hello, nice to meet you. I'll play this. Okay, I'll save it, and if I add this to the sprite, I'll go to sound, I'll drag this one, play it. You can also change the name, like hello. I've showed this before. If you don't know, I'll explain it to you more. Link is in the description below. I already have a video on this. But yeah, if you don't want to record anything and want a loop, you can upload any kind of sound you want. Just click hovering on this option and click on upload sound. It will take you to your PC from where you can upload your files. So first I'm going to hover on this. I can click on this icon, or I can click here to choose a sound from the sound Scratch has. For continuous music, so I'll go to loops. I think I'll play. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's play this one. There are millions of more sounds, you can search them. Okay, then I'll click on the sound. I'll go to codes, I'll go to sound. I'll get play sound xylophone until done. This hello sound. And if you want to do it after some codes, you can drag in a when green flag clicks block and go to looks and be like hello, then play this one. Let's see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it helped you. If it did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more new content when uploaded. I'll see you next time. Have a great day, guys.